Welcome, everyone. How's everybody doing? Good evening, Hazy. Good evening. Hello, babe. Hello, babe. Night, bro. Jared. Hey, what's up? Good job. Finally on time. Hello. What is up? Asif, good evening. How are you, my love? Good. I want to plan to take a nap, but it ended up my whole sleep. Good, bro. Good. Mr. BMD. Need to do some cleanups. We've been selling gold for past few sessions though, right? These are the old trades. Okay, so yeah, let more people come in so we can start analyzing the market. Hey, good job. Thanks for the flowers, buddy. Yeah, guys. Until then, start pressing the likes. Today, I forget about the likes. You guys didn't give the likes, so no likes, no trades, of course, for freeloaders. And this 8 p.m. candle is about to open in next 5 minutes. Let's see. This is the volume time. Price is still in the bearish momentum. This daily is creating top wick, and I guess we might see some sells incoming very soon. Not before 25k likes. So if we see some 25k likes, yeah, definitely we're gonna do some position here. Otherwise, all the positions for premium members. It is what it is now. So yeah, let everybody come from Discord, and then we're gonna start analyzing the market. But today, everybody banked. Everybody make good money. Money. Morning, Daisy. Morning. Daisy, I didn't see you in my session today. Big Bank Limited. Yes, good job. Exactly. Why you didn't trade? Come on. You must be trading every session. So thanks, we make money. I had a severe migraine. So I needed to rest my eyes. Yes, definitely. You need more time off. Why you come back in Asian? You should be resting the whole week. Market is here. Forget about market. It's gonna go nowhere. It's going to be always here. And if you have lucid accounts, you have lifetime. You don't have to worry about you have to pay monthly and all that. So take it easy. Break in is break in, guys. Blocker is here, so no more naughty stuff. He's gonna block you. Hey Rick, good evening, buddy. Hi, please. Tell to gold up, go up. Just go up 45.80. No, I'm gonna tell gold to go down 44.80. How about that? Hey, KG. Meow. Gor 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 gor. I took a good rest, and anyways, when is the 50% promotion ending? So you still have time, so use it wisely, okay? So I know you just get the funded direct ones, so don't worry about it. I think it's ending on Ju- uh, June or July 2nd, so it's here for a while, but it's only two uses, okay? So you can only get two accounts with 50% off. After that, I think it goes to 30% or something like that. One is going good, 2k profit. Hey Al Palushi, what's up brother? How are you? How's everything? Sukhjit, Hanji, kitna paji? Sukhjit ji, चकते हो फटे. Last few sessions फटे चकी जा रहे हैं, the profit आई जा रहे हैं. Now it's time to give it back, so be ready. now, now it's time to give it back, be ready. All right, everybody's here. Guys, start tapping the likes. It's not fair. If I didn't say about tapping the likes in my session, you guys didn't do it. So you from now on, you guys should do it yourself, right? Okay, let's start. Let's start the market. So, and also respond me in the chat if I ask any question. You guys hear me clearly? Let me know if the music is too loud or YouTube. If you guys hear me clearly on YouTube as well. Good evening. Lucid reduced the promotion to 30%. Yes, the first two uses, if you see it correctly, there's only two uses. Okay, so that's why I write in the Discord for you guys that choose it wisely. So if you already get two accounts, then yes, it's gonna reduce to 30%. But if you don't, then yes, you're gonna get the 50% off for sure. Okay, now everybody here? Yes, clear, everything clear. Okay, now let's talk about the market. So past session, the NY session, right? It all right. The NY it's going down, guys. We need to be quick. All right, the price is pushing down. All right, if you see in, let's say, weekly, we've been looking for the weekly for the past few days, right? uh, since the market opened this week, right? Why? Because the price was uh, try to make decision here. It's going flipping up and down, up and down, up and down. But now, since this daily completely flipped, this weekly completely flip, creates this top wick, and now starts pushing down, right? We need to switch to the daily to see, okay, what happened. So today, I mean on Monday, it looks like it's doing the same thing like previous week, right? So on Monday it closed bullish. Tuesday, look at the sales volume, right? People ask how you know, how you identify the volume. Look at this body size of this candle, right? So it closed with a huge amount of bearish momentum, right? Price close below our zone right here. Now this daily, it's daily, this needs a topic. Is this enough topic to take another sell position on the flip? Might be, might be not. If it gives us a little bit better, maybe 45.20s, maybe 40, let's say 4500 or 4510, right? Somewhere around here, here, or here. And then on the next session it starts flipping, for example, right? Maybe this session is just the pushing upside. I'm just giving you two scenarios right here, okay? So maybe in that, this is the daily time frame. If in the daily, let's say if this keep continue push up, creates a top wick, the next session it might flip and keep continue push it down until maybe next 2 days 3 days, right? Now what we need to do this session, right, how we take advantage of that. As we know, okay, the previous day closed with a huge bearish momentum. We need to switch to the lower time frame, maybe 4 hour, maybe you need to look at the 1 hour, and then you need to do readjust your zones, right? Because now you see it's a little bit off up and down with our zones. So what you do, you need to a little bit drag this zone down. So once we know, okay, the price gonna start break that zone or give a closure below, we can take advantage of it and starts taking some sell positions right there. Okay, any questions in the chat? Guys, ask questions. Okay, what I'm looking, why I'm looking, and xxhy Perry. Hi, hello. All right, so far it looks like it might starts gonna range, right? If it price still respecting, this is New York highs, this is London highs, all right, this is New York highs, this is London highs, and this might be Asian highs from yesterday, right? So you need to see if we have, can you see it? Yeah, this is the issue with the TikTok. You have very small screen for analyzing the charts. You should, if you have issues, you can go to the YouTube. We have the bigger screen, the full screen there for learning purposes. Okay, this is NY highs on YouTube for a reason. Yes, sir. Okay, this is NY highs. This is London highs. Okay, and this is Asian highs. We are looking, these all sessions are the previous sessions, right? Now we need to see here, let's say if the price starts pushing up, how it reacts here. Is it reject here? Or if it starts pushing up, breaking this, how it reacts here. Is it gonna drop from there? And if it starts further go up, right, how it's gonna react there, right? If the price gives a nice closure right now from here, right, can we see another drop? Yes, definitely. Are we ready for it? Of course, right? It always, that's why it always depend on the market. Instead of fighting with the market, you need to be ready. Okay, now it's gonna break, it's giving me closure below, I'm ready to take the sell positions. But I want you to be prepared for both buys and sells as well. What's your YouTube? Everything is in my bio. If you find it, you find it. If you go to my bio and link, click to the YouTube icon, you will get there. Hello brother, I tried but it is impossible. Where I sent you a text on Discord. I never seen your message on the Discord. Send the message on the journal chat. Do not DM me there. You will get much quicker response if you message in the general chat in the Discord instead of DM me. Okay. Sukhjit Singh ji sir. Ji sir, Sukhjit ji. Sukhjit ji is like, I'm everywhere. I'm here and I'm on TikTok. Found it. Okay. Was that tough, Mr. Capital Pub and Lounge? Now, this was the scenario for the sell side, right? If we see some closure below, we can look for some sell entries. Now, how can we do some buy entry and where should we? If we see this range, this is what? 300 tick range, right? That's a lot range. So we cannot just leave this money on the table. Now we need to readjust some zones here, but how can we do it? That's the question. I mean, it dropped too much. on the New York session. All right, this hourly pushing down. What about right here? Let me see. If price gives us a closure above this, how much range we get? Around 150 150 to 200 ticks. Okay, that's reasonable. That's reasonable to catch. All right, so far it looks like it's pushing down. Be ready for your order field. Do we reach 25k? Like, nah, we didn't reach. Sorry guys, no trade for you. I'm gonna post my trade in the premium only for, so sorry, no freeloaders. Once we hit 25k likes, that's where we're gonna take some entry. If no, sorry, you can go somewhere else. Why wait for the candle closure when it's already confirmed? How it's confirmed? Austin, how you know? How, what's your confirmation? Is there any fee for premium? Yes. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Hey Ricardo buddy, how are you? Also look for the, if it gives a closure above, that would be a better buys as well. But are we gonna take it here? Absolutely not, until we hit 25k likes. All right, let's go. Let's go. Am I allowed to have another one? Yes, Daisy, of course. Those 101s are unlimited for the premium members only. You can book as much as you can, but Daisy, right now I'm full packed before my travel. But what we can do, everybody from premium chat, guys, if you want to do 101, we can. I need to see like if there's any openings. If not, I will try to adjust you at in some time window, right? The other thing we can do is group call as well before. So let's say I have flight on Friday, so we can do group call on Thursday as well, right? If you want it. The other thing, what we can do, because from Friday to Saturday I might be just traveling, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the time for the weekly session. Maybe on Sunday, we'll figure it out at that time. Okay. Even for me, what break in? Get this man to 20k likes. I need an entry. 25k. That's the deal. 25k likes. But yeah, your answer is yes. You can book as many as one once with me as a member of premium, of course. Shay, hello everyone. Hello Paji. Now make that 50k now. Hey, thank you. Yeah, send some heart me, guys. Make sure you claim those points. Okay. Paji. You know, Shay, it's the, if you put from P to B, so if I say Baji from B, it's the exact opposite from that. So it's like Baji means like brother, and from B, Baji, Baji it's mean sister. So welcome Baji. Baji. Salam. Hey Saber, how are you, brother? How's everything? How's everything? I'm going to speaking the full language soon. Yeah, word by word, every single day, very soon. Breaking is already know all the words, so yeah. If you wanna learn more Punjabi, like you know, trucker trader, he do the lives in Punjabi. So just go and see how he speak. Hi, bro, Ibrahim. Hey, how are you? What are you doing in TikTok, Ibrahim? Why you're not on YouTube? Yeah, if you come few more days on YouTube live, I'll see you there active. I can make you mod there because most of my team they're here in the TikTok, and I came to like the live. All right, let's go for it. Yeah, let me know if you're more active on the YouTube. I can make you mod there as well. So I'm doing well, good. I'm everywhere. Kitty is everywhere. She's in the air, she's in the water, she's everywhere. Me too, yes sir, break in. Deal, bro. Yeah, because YouTube is also growing slowly and we need a few mods there. So we already have break-in, but break-in is handling here these people. So, me too. Well, time difference. Time difference? For what? Time difference? You guys don't forget to go to the YouTube, follow that channel, and follow this what you say, this young guy. Don't forget to follow this young guy on YouTube. Yeah, Kitty, I'm too lazy to change the picture. Oh, already. Yeah, Kitty, you can also share entry in the premium as well if you want to. Hair transplant man, oh yes. Why it looks like hair transplant? Come on, guys. Well, you guys will used to it, So when I'm gonna get to that age, I don't feel bad because I'm already there. So I already seen myself. Okay, this is how I'm gonna look like maybe in next few years. No volatility. Yes, ready for snack. No volume. Yeah, yeah. No volatility, no volume yet. This new hourly even open, but price is going nowhere. It's just ranging. So let's see. It's just ranging. No buys, no sells for me for now. Yep. Almost on 25k. Yeah, we're still 4k short. Come on, guys. Quick, quick, quick. Tap, tap. Everybody tap, tap. It's time to break your screen. My fingers are tired. Well, you need to change your fingers. Get new fingers. So you will not tired anymore. Replace those fingers. Kitty, fasten your seatbelts. Okay, this 30 and 15 is about to close in 9 minutes, right? So what you guys choose? Okay, this is question for the chat. So if 15 and 30 both are gonna close at the same time, which one you guys should choose? That's crazy. All right, everybody's saying 30. All right. So Z, you said 15. Okay. Why you said 15? 10 hour? Yeah, you can also choose 10-hour break-in. But I'll see you then tomorrow. Queen Pips in the house. Hey, Queen Pips, how are you? How are you? So 30 minutes because it's higher time frame. Okay. For Teza, we're just talking about 15 and 30. Nobody's talking about 10 hour, 4 hour and all that. 10 hour closing in 5 hours. Yeah. So yeah, break in. I'll see you in 10 hours. Yes, Z, you're absolutely right. To see the momentum, you're absolutely right. But if this 13 and 15 is closing at the same time, the higher time frame you will go, the more confirmation you're gonna get. So for example, this 30 is about to close in 7 minutes, right? So, and this hourly is about to close in 37 minutes. So right now, if let's say this 30, I mean this hourly is also about to close in 7 minutes. So instead of focusing on 15, 30, we're gonna look for the 1 hour, because the higher time frame you're gonna go, the more confirmation you're gonna get. And you can also switch it back to 15 or 30 after it gives a closure and the next one open. Okay. What about 30-second flip? Yeah, I think the 1 minute is fine, or let's do the 15-second one. That's even much better. Sorry, hi. Yeah, I understand. Isaac. Yeah, guys, from TikTok, if you wanna experience the full screen, you can go to the YouTube and enjoy the full screen as well. What about the FVG divergence on the 2 minutes? That's even much better. I think AMD we can use it here. So right now the price is just doing the manipulation, right? So we're just waiting for some distribution. Once it starts breaking above high and gives us a nice signal for okay, it's ready to distribute the price. That's where we can use our FVG gap and then look for some turtle soup for going towards upside. And there's also engulfing candle and the head and shoulder pattern with some speaker uh, loudspeaker pattern as well. But I think the diamond pattern right here is much better for taking those setups. When I get payout full screen and more hummus, hummus, turtle soup, and the 30, yeah, and the 30% Fibonacci level as well, guys. How can I forget that? My bad. Hello from Russia. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I think usually my YouTube is banned on Russia territory. I get so many copyrights from there. I don't know why. So if you're from Russia, you better stay on the TikTok. What's TP? The TP is to the moon. All-time highs right now. 30% for the discount. Michael explained it. ICT. Yes. 30% for the discount. Okay, it's pushing up, right? Wait for this 30 or 15 closure for some buys entry there. TP 61.8% on Fibonacci. Yes. Yeah. Let's use some where is the no, this is the time zone, this is the different thing. Have you guys used Elliott waves, impulse waves and all those things, or no? Now we might look like some professional traders, right? We can add few more things on the chart. I can give my fibs settings. Yeah, most people they don't even know that they can adjust their fib settings. They just wanna do it, whatever they see. Honestly, just open up indicator on trade C just to see what other nonsense is on there. Yeah. guys. You're gonna see so many things and you're gonna get confused. The only indicator you can use is your eyes. That's it. Use it wisely. And your brain, if you have any left after scrolling like 5,000 times a day. So confusing a bit. 15-30 minutes about to close, yes. And this 30, okay, let's see, this 30 is about to close in 1 minute and 38 seconds. 15 is giving us a nice breakout. Same with this 30. Can we take out our snipers out for the... But this is not going to be ideal bias, I would say, right? Why? Because the price is still in bearish trend for the... If you see the higher time frame, let's say weekly and all that, right? You can maybe target what, like around maybe 100-150 ticks, right? If it gives another push up, that would be better, maybe 300 ticks. But I think overall the price can drop. So stops at the daily lows after it gives a closure above. Wait for the closure. That's what I'm looking right now. Volume time gonna come in and starts pushing the price up or starts ranging, who knows. Just support and resistance, yes sir. That's all you need. If it gives a closure right here, it would be a good closure. Let's see. Wait, don't go up yet, God. Wait for us to get on, then starts pushing up. Not yet. Wait. Okay, it's closed. It's gonna keep continue push up. The way it's wait for the lower wick. Okay, did we hit our target? Yes. Keep coming up the likes, guys. Let it go down. Gonna create some lower wick, and then on the flip of this current 30, you can use it some buy entry right here. Some imaginary TP, I can place it so you guys think, oh, it's a good risk to reward and all that, right? Because if I set the TP right here, then I'm still gonna wait for the lower wick and then I'm gonna put the trigger. King, hey Jay, what's up, buddy? What's up? King, he's screaming, King. I hope you figured it out. Yeah, now it's pushing down. Okay, nice. I need Kitty to help. Still didn't find it out. Okay, wait for this session and then it failed. I can't open any failed. What? Great, what you mean failed? Need to take trade on trade. Yeah, Jay, wait for this after Tokyo Open. We can discuss about it. What you need help with? Like send your screenshot here in the general chat and then we can talk about it. Okay. is this enough wick to push up, or it needs to go a little bit more, around 44 95 or something like that, and then starts pushing it up. Here you can use the flexible ways, which we talk about. What makes is that playing pro, this is DJ FX, it's my own mix. I make it especially for my lives. FX, you are not concerned with the resistance on the left on that trade. Which one? That's there, it's high, so I'm just targeting this, that's over there, it's that high. So here what we can do here, once the price, let's say, starts pushing up, touch this zone, we can put the stops at BE and let it run. That's where I'm planning to manage those trades. You can get it right now, okay, if you want to. I can I'm gonna use because it might gives a lower wick more than this, it might not, so I'm gonna use my flexible risk right here at exact price. Okay, if this price drops more, I can add some more position there, because it can still comes down towards 44.95 and then starts pushing it up, or just reject from here and keep continue fall. The sells are valid once it starts breaking this lows and starts pushing down. That's when the sells are valid. Okay, but if the price is respecting this zone and starts continue pushing it up, that's where the buys are still in touch. Might retest, then push back up. Yes. Yep. Should we enter there? It's up to you, buddy. Why are you asking me? It's your account, it's your trading, it's your money. Talks, I'm in Lucid, it is not successfully in my country. I'm the one from TikTok. I asked earlier about macros and oh, okay, great. Alright, great. So even top step is not allowed in your country, then just Google it. I think yeah, you need to Google it, what firms are there, and do that. Okay, I want 5 or 2. Where comes your 5 or 2? Don't worry, breaking, it will come soon, and it's gonna continue push down. So if this comes down, still respecting 44.95, and then starts pushing it up on the flip, that would be a good entry. But I'm taking some small partial position here for the buy side. Let's see, very small, because this is not ideal setup for me, so I might be just taking maybe like 10-15 contracts. I hope not. I love getting this 0.7% coins. Is Vinta here? Our astronaut? Or anybody wants to get on the flight? Let me know. Only premiums. Daisy, our private. Where's the plane? Who wants to be on this flight? Let's see. Where's the flight? All right. Who wants to get on this? All right. The passengers are getting in. No, I'm not good in flying, but you're good in. Good in traveling private, right? So you should learn it. Yeah, once if it hits 45 20s, that zone, that's where you should do the break evens. Yeah, this is like, I'm not gonna fly this thing, but I can enjoy. Can you take one place, Thomas? It's only for VIPs, buddy. It's only for our premium members. We need good astronaut. Yeah, Vinta is not here. That's the best one. Yeah. I'm trying so hard not to market order. Why don't you break and just open one micro? That's it. Please call her. She's already to the moon. There's no phone service there, so. And I don't have a satellite phone right now, so. Okay, hourly closure is about to come in 16 minutes, right? If this hourly close something like this, and next one comes down, creates a lower wick, and then starts pushing up, that's where I'm gonna go heavy on that trade, because that's the volume time. The price already starts pushing it up, and you know, you can enjoy that ride if that happens, of course. Did you see the trade this morning break it? 20 or none? What? No, really, I'm being serious. What is the TP? Please, paper. Shining Star, come on. It depends on the market. There's no set TPs for me. The way I trade, I never set my TPs, I never set my SLs. I trade very, very different. Okay. This guy was up 300 pips, scrapping a coffee. Yes, sir. You're gonna see me the same if it hits my SL. Let's say I'm negative 300 ticks. I'm gonna be the same. Why? Because with that time, it's very normal for you. It's just part of your life. Okay, it's hitting your TP, you're getting in drawdown, or it's hitting your SL. Okay, that's fine. You can come back in the next session and make it back. So I did. I was in it and out. In and out. how much money is one tick. So $1 move is gives you 10 ticks, right? So if you're trading one MGC, so one tick is $1, right? Yeah. So 10 ticks are I mean $1 move gives you 10 ticks, so one tick is $1. After seeing negative 100k, it doesn't face. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you will used to with all these numbers, but it will take some time. Hey Queen Pips, how's your giveaway going on? I remember you passed that account, right? Got a couple small wins for a better cushion. Okay. Not low, low, low. How many contracts is you planning for this trade? It depends on the hourly closure. So right now, uh, I'm already in for like 15. So maybe I'm gonna add next. It depends on the closure, and if the volume is good, I will add maybe like 60 more, something like that. 60, 65 more. If it gives a ideal closure, otherwise 15 is fine. Where your take profit is, it's all-time highs. Contracts is equal to lots, yes. Bro, I have mastered your strategy. I was doing the same thing, waiting for 1 hour. Very nice, very nice. What do you mean by contract, if I may ask? It's the same. Like in forex, you say lot size. In future market, you say contracts. You either wait for 1 hour flip or you flip the burgers. It's your choice. It's absolutely your choice, guys. So whatever you wanna do it properly. Either you flipping the burgers, do it properly, or you wait for these flips. You might gonna see some turbulence because the next hourly gonna come down, gonna create some lower wick, and then on the flip of that, that's where the main entry for tonight might be, if that happen, of course. But once it starts breaking 44.85s, you must be get out from this trade and be ready for the drop. Okay. I'm in greens, playing it safely. Okay, that's good, man. Didn't trade yesterday, so day 3 today is fun date. Yeah, funding queen, guys. She got the free giveaway, she got the free knowledge, she got the free learning, free strategy, and now she's making free money. Zero investment. She didn't even have to pay for her account, the evaluation what she's doing. Just being here, just being active here, she won the account, she passed the account, now she's trading funded account. And she's gonna soon gonna get the payout. Can I enter now? Saber, wait for the next hourly. So the next if you enter right now, you're gonna experience turbulence. So wait for the next hourly, let it go down, create the lower wick, and then on the flip of that hourly, you can look for some buy position here. It's about to close in 7 minutes. Okay, so you need to wait for it. Fund is going well and miss the. Yeah, so what was your name again? Grid, right? So if you want to see if that pro firm is allowed in your country or not, you just have to go to their FAQ on their website and search restricted countries. So they will gonna give you the list of those countries which are restricted, right? So all you have to do is like look. So there are other good pro firms. Just Google it. You're gonna find one. You know the one that was really good. Name of the platform you suggest. Where you live? HAK, Phillips. It depends on your location. Can you maybe suggest me for a few, then I'll do it. Just Google it, bro. Just Google it. You're gonna find so many. So, let me see. Okay, 5 more minutes. This hourly closure is coming. Kenya, Africa, funded squid are better than the fund. I never heard both of these funds, funded squid and pea farm. Yeah, the new hourly is about to open. Let's see. That's where the more fun will be. Bro, this is Lebanese song. My country. Okay. Ibrahim. Okay. 100 square. Jay is laughing. Just look. What kind of name is this? I think that guy watched so much. What's the show name? Squid Games. So he inspired by that show, and he's like, okay, I'm gonna make a pro farm, and named it Funded Squid. Islam AFX, save us number. Okay, some turbulence, some turbulence. Wait for the next hourly. On the flip of next hourly, you might gonna get a better entry. Why? Because on the flip of the next one, let's see how it closes, how it gives a closure, and then we can look for that. Yeah, wait for this closure. Why didn't you do the Tradify Cup? Okay, I am doing though, but I'm not paying attention there. To be honest, I don't even open the account there. I was it to go up a little more before it goes. I want it to go a little bit up. Yeah, it needs to stay above the zone. That's where the buys are still valid. Okay. And now if the new hourly open after creating lower wick and then starts flipping, that might be a good entry. So right now you see this high, right? So at that point we can, I mean, if you enter, let's say on the flip of that, that's going to be a good entry. But if this hourly starts pushing down back, gives a closure back in the range, then the buys are closed, buys are out. Okay, so back to initial entry. Yeah, on that World Cup break-in, what I see, like most people, they're just gambling. They're just getting full contract in one side and just doing that. Like that's not ideal for trading. Okay, this hourly now needs to create lower wick, and then on the flip of that, that's where I'm gonna plan to take that entry if that happens. Okay, hourly pushing down, creating some lower wick. Okay, let it go down, 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 and on the flip of that, that's where you can look for some buys if that happens. If it gives a closure below, then we can re-enter in the sell side. But you need to watch for this around 40 44.95, how price react on that zone. Okay, on the flip of this, now I might, and I'm gonna add some more contract here. Once it flips, once it flips, that's where I'm gonna plan to add more. Not yet. If it gives me a nice flip. Yeah, wait for the flip now. Now, now the flip will be very very good if that happens. That's that would be a good flip. But if it breaks the lows with the previous hourly, then no. Yeah, if the let's say 4 hour or daily starts flipping down, then this daily or 4 hour basically comes for the top wave, and then on this flip of that, you can look for some sell position. But right now, uh, my buys are still there. If this flip only, that's the only way I'm gonna add. Otherwise, no. 15 contracts. That's it. But if it flips now towards upside, that would be very very valid set. Flip toward bullish green, yes. Giant wick if it's coming, yeah. If that comes, of course. But if it starts continue pushing it down, then yeah, my entry is around 4508. Yeah, I will add more one if it flips. If this hourly flip, that's where I'm gonna enter. Yeah, it shows me little bit greens and then starts pushing down. That's fine, absolutely fine. Yeah, only gonna add if it flipped. If it starts pushing down, breaking the lows, I need to close this entry and look for some short positions, because if you see the high time frame, the daily, it is basically creating that top wick, and then boom, we have again from 44.80s to 44.40s, 400 ticks to enjoy with in the short side. So if you're not in any trade, right, you can wait for the flip and then look for the buys, or wait for it to gives a closure below this zone and look for some sell positions. Okay, volume seems pretty low. Yeah, it is coming, it is coming slowly and steady. It is coming. Let's see, it is coming. Four-hour closure is also coming in 52 minutes. Same with the 1 hour. So we need to see 15 and 30 how it reacts, right? If it continue pushing it down, gives a closure below, then buys are out and sells are in. I'm waiting. Yes, good. We are experiencing some turbulence. I'm dancing, going, watching my saving Billy. What? Hello, bro. Hey, what's up, guys? How long have you been trading? Just 3 months. But if it flipped, now it will be a big push up. If it flipped, of course. Profitable now. That turbulence, yeah. Relax, guys, relax. Don't get too much panic when you see a little bit turbulence. That's fine. That's completely fine. Sometimes you have bad weather, right? So that's what it is. Stops would be big. Profits are also be big. Okay, hourly is about to flip. I'm gonna add some more contracts right here. Alright. Now the turbulence is done. Once it starts flipping, we're done waiting, and then it's gonna, instead of this plane, we can place our rocket here. Alright, let's see. This is Once it starts flipping, the rocket is gonna take over from here. Let's see who's gonna be on, who's our astronaut for today's on the flip of this. Me, shining star. Okay, let's try a shining star today. Let's see if she take us to the stars. Okay, this is shining star now. It needs to take us somewhere above here. Let's see. Or now it's up to you, shining star. If you didn't take us here, then you'll fire. You'll fire. You will be fired. Let that be laid on a flip. Yeah. Where's your TP at? You know the shining star, right? What's your entry? You can see on the screen. Come on into the moon, to the stars. Yep. Now it's up to you, shining star. It's up to you now. If you didn't give another flip, not gonna end well for everyone. Zoom out your chart so we can see it clear. Yeah, you can also see it clear on the YouTube. Go there, that's the zoom out there. Don't play it gold, don't play it now. Shining star is here. I know you're trying to play with shining star. Yeah, the resistance was on the left, had me skeptic there. On my way. Okay, alright. Why this guys? Gold is sending mixed signals. Yeah, it's sending mixed signals too. Let's see. If the daily and 4-hour flipped, that's the buys are going to be tough. It needs to stay above those zones. Breathe, guys, breathe. Relax. If you make 300, 500 ticks in the market and give it back maybe 100, maybe 150 back to it, you still make back in the NY session, right? So take it easy. I'm hyperventilating. Why is that? If you're hyperventilating by looking at just this, how are you gonna survive the market when you see big drawdowns? How? It's going to be very, very tough for you. I mean, 50 minis long. Okay. That's a big lie, though, first of all. If you have 50 minutes long, what are you doing here? have not made anything. That's good. That's very good. Where is TBD today? TBD, you here? He's he, he might be in the drawdown. It's like I better stay quiet today. TBD. Once it's gonna fly, then we're gonna see TBD. TBD, where are you hiding, bro? You know, if Kitty Berry, if she starts singing, she might sound exact the same like this singer, exact same, right? What you guys think? Yes, I was thinking the same. Yep. Hey, Shining Star, your focus should be on this rocket. Your focus should be on this rocket, not in the chat. Before these people they start having heart attack by looking at the drawdown, you need to start pushing it up. Because right now everybody is drawdown. Somebody tell me it will flip. And you know, once it starts flipping and pushing up, then you know what everybody gonna start asking? Should I enter? Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I do this? Can I enter, sir? Yeah, exactly. Can you play Desert Rose by? Yeah, I know that song, Pam. Later, later. You are in. Maybe. I'm getting full pot. Hmm. Hmm. Look, guys, we done our job. We analyze the market. We see, okay, it's closing above. We're looking for the buy position. We're getting in. We are in. It flipped. Then it's just doing retracement or some dramas here, right? So now there is nothing in our hand. That's why I say whatever market gives, take it. So right now it's just lack of volume and decision making. Islam bro, Islam. Hey, AH, what's up? I'm trying to see gold tank. Solomo. Yes, it's gonna tank. 479 SL. No, the SL is gold all-time lows, which is zero, right? H4 bearish. Yes, 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 yes. If it flipped, then I'm gonna close the entry. If the daily or 4 hour flipped, so you need to be careful. 36 minutes, this 4 hour is pushing down. Let's see, we still have 30 minutes to survive. If we don't, then it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. And it, by looking at it, thanks Shining Star for doing the great work. 4 hour is about to. It's bearish, bro. Yeah, it's below the previous close. Yeah. My love, I'm sorry. It's only bearish if it gives a nice closure below. Then we have the clean range towards downside. But if it's respecting this zone, doing the drama, and then there's still have some chance. Let's see. It's gold. Dump me, yeah. I'm trader, just helping another trader. Okay, you can see when it. Now we're gonna see all these people gonna come here and telling me what is right and what is wrong. Solomo, where were you the past few sessions? The past, let's say 10-20 sessions. I never see you there. And you too, Mr. Midnight Comps. Where the freaking you guys were when we were hitting? Okay, not that far long. You don't even have a picture or anything, right? So don't you dare to come here and tell me what to do. All you have to do is go to my previous video and look at this. This is from today, right? Look at this. Can you see it? No, not this one. This one, right? Where were you when this is happening? Okay, he said check my videos, my place. Okay, let me check it. Do you even trade live or you just do the screen recording on your wins? Oh, that's why you're here. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I can't show your thing. If you're promoting yourself, no. You can't do live, you can't. No. No promotion. No promotion. That's why you're coming here. No free promotion, man. If you're coming here as an individual and then saying, that's a different story. Okay, it's breaking the laws. Guys, we need to manage the risk. We need to manage the risk right here. Now you're gonna see all kind of these creatures. They're gonna come and telling you, I told you so, why you taking buys, why you taking sells. That's completely fine, guys. That's absolutely fine. It's the part of the game. If you're in a drawdown or if it hits your SL, that's completely fine. Nothing to worry about and nothing to cry over. Market's gonna give you this full move back, maybe in the second trade, maybe in this session, maybe in NY session. Everyone takes whatever their strategy shows. Wait, so are you bearish or bullish? You tell me. Four-hour flip, you're on live, you tell us. Yes, yeah. Yeah, 4-hour flip, then there's no yeah, the sellers are getting very strong. It's better to get out from this trade now. Closing the position out. Why? Because it's gonna keep continue drop from here. It looks like it. So I'll take that out. I'll take that out. Rocket is dropped thanks to Shining Star. Now what you can do here, you can wait. Look at this. How much it dropped? Damn, around 300 ticks, right? So this tells us the sellers are getting in. The volume is high. Bro, you the same guy who said it's gonna pump. Yeah, it only pumped if you guys do the likes. No likes incoming, no pump. Sorry. All right. Now, if it gives a closure below, right, and the sellers are coming in the market, we can look for some sell positions there. But we need to wait for the closures first for taking those sells. New 4-hour in 30 minutes. Yes. Yeah, new 4-hour in 30 minutes. Exactly. You tell us what you think. Want to zoom bearish, but I don't know. Yeah, the bearish is coming in. The bearish is coming in. It's closing below. This is the time where you can get into the bearish momentum. I'm gonna wait and observe the price. What happened right here before taking the bearish, because it already dropped like 300 ticks from that, right? It can still drop from here. mini flip. What? There's the volume. Yes, there's the volume. Now the volume. Now you need to see, okay, how this price is doing. So for example, this hourly, this, if this gives a nice closure below, the next one is going to be great for downside. Not yet. I'm not taking the sells right now. I'm gonna wait for the closure first. 30 minute. Yeah. Yeah, that flip, yeah. No, no. I'm not gonna take the 30-minute flip right now because it already pushed a lot down, right? So this 30 might can starts pushing up and then starts ranging here. Here comes. Here comes.
Here it comes. I'm coming for these people. Damn, it's dropping too much, man.
I told you, these are the creatures, they only show up. Yeah, I
Bro,
think it's liquidity grab to go get 45, 45. Okay. All right. Yes, sir. So, how you doing? You still alive?
man, I didn't took the trip, bro. I was busy, man.
Ah, what you doing? What you doing?
I I didn't took any trade yet
Hmm? Why not?
because
Why
I was
not,
busy. I
TBD?
just
Why
joined, bro.
not?
I guess I missed the party. I was.
Are you waiting for Friday low reaction? Friday low reaction. It already done though. Like it already filled that wick. Now I'm waiting for at least this hourly closure. I don't trust this 30-minute or 15-minute right now. So let's see how this hourly close. If this gives a closure below here, that's where I can get into the sell position, not before that. Okay.
Once that 4 hour flip and the daily flip, um,
Yeah, those are the good ones. Yep. Mm-mm-mm. And yeah, the the reason why we're waiting for this hourly closure, which is in 26 minutes, because the 4 hour is also gonna close at the same time.
at the same time, yeah.
Yes, so that would be much better. Let's say this 4 hour gives a closure below, the next one still gonna go up, gonna create some topic and then starts dropping. So that would be our edge to get into the trade, if that happened, of course. If that happened.
Yeah. I feel like overall the market trend was bearish though.
Yeah,
Or you
it is.
said that you say you don't like the higher time frame is bearish,
Yes, yeah.
right?
If you see the
Before we
weekly,
enter that
daily,
high,
yeah, that's the first thing when I start live today. I said like, okay, the trend is still bearish. That
yeah,
trade, the buy trade, we took it for because I was expecting this daily to go even further up high, maybe here, just to create that top wick, and then in the next session it might flip because that's what usually happen.
mhm.
So, but it is what it is, man.
It is what it is, man. It's part of the game. I just don't want to see no negative comments, bro. I was here. People are talking bullshit. I'm here, bro.
That's expected. They're always gonna come. They
That's why
always
you get
gonna come.
approved
They
from
always
TikTok.
gonna, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
our life is not even fun because when we hit big takes, don't want to freaking say anything in the chat. I feel like they're not taking the trade. They just what they like your beautiful face. I don't know the fuck. And when we aren't ready, they start saying shit. I starting from today. If we hit big in New York, Asia, I'll be here. But like if today I was liquidity, that's fine, bro. That's fine. That's part of the game. Uh, like I want to see like W someone just to come on the live and show their profit, screen, bruh. What was the Sunday green?
Every day,
Um,
every session was
every day,
green,
yeah.
but nobody comes up and like, okay, good
TBD, why
trade.
are you gay? I'm gay, I know, bro. You wanna see my beautiful gay face?
Yeah, turn on the camera. Let's show us. Why not
Yeah.
50k likes
Damn.
yet, guys? Yes, sir. Why not 50k likes? Come on, come on, come
Damn, bro.
on.
Yo. Whoa.
That's a lot of volume coming
Yo,
in.
what's going on? There's a news. Committed entry the target key levels 1 hour ago. Oh no, it's over, bro. I'm not touching this.
I'm saying,
Yeah, this 1 hour is more than Jerry Kendall, bro. God damn it.
a lot of volume coming in. A lot of volume.
Yeah, I love gold, man. I think gold is gonna change my life very soon.
Change my life. Quit my 9 to 5.
Yeah, bro. This candle literally can buy me a Lamborghini. 40 mi 40 micro. That's the TVD candle, Nigeria candle. Oh my god, 436 ticks, bro. That drop was insane. And you guys should be happy, we close the position. Imagine like you hold this, bro. Your account is gone, brother.
You're cooked.
Wow. Yeah, after this type of drop, I'm like,
Yeah. Stay away. Stay away. Yeah. I think if I didn't get that buy position there, we might gonna get this one.
sells. Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
sells definitely, and we might make like 100, 150 ticks. But
Even
that's
the
fine.
4 hour flip was beautiful, but I wasn't feeling confident.
Yeah. Yep. 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 Yeah. If we
That
waited
1
for
hour
this,
can drop too much, man. God damn.
and
have
you see,
200 million from
this
that.
is it touched this zone. How we know it's gonna? It exactly touched this zone, and see, now it's pushing a little bit back up. We didn't draw this line yet. It was drawn way before, like when we start this session. So this is marking these zones will help you out, like to identify those zones where the price might touch and go back or further drop and all those things. Look at this current hourly. So it literally pushed almost 500 points.
500 ticks, brother. That's insane. It's actually crazy.
Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. Even 5 minute, this current 5 minute, it dropped around 150, 160 ticks.
Breaking, why are you here, bro? Go home, go sleep. Um, yeah, I definitely feel like 8 to 9 or 8 to 10 is when the volumes start kicking in with Asia section. Session.
Yep, yep.
8 p.m. Eastern time to 10. 9 actually after 9:30, 9:40 we start. But I would say 10.
Next 4 hour maybe a week fill. Yes. Let's see. Let's see. So this is going to be a crazy drop. The next one gonna create some topic and then boom. He's Dutch. Yeah.
Someone asked where you from. He said he's Dutch.
Yeah.
Jay, you got it, bro. Yeah, he's a Dutch man.
Exactly.
He's Dutch. Come on, go give us something, bro.
But next time somebody gonna ask me, I'm gonna say I'm Chinese. I thought
Chinese.
yeah. Yes. I mean he's wearing
Oh
an
my
orange
God.
hat. But could you answer me? Answer you what? Answer you what, Mr. Silver?
He's from Kenya.
Yes, from Kenya, man. Come on. I speak Kenyan.
Yo, why you care about where the guy from, bro? Ask the ZVM He's gonna tell you where he's from. Ask that guy.
Yeah, ZVMZT. First of all, you need to figure out what does that mean, and then you need to ask.
He wants to know, are you long or short in the shower? Just a black Russian because they're nothing like that. Ziggy is a clown, bro. Black Russian. Yeah, you'd be surprised, Ziggy. Actually, I have one brother. He's from Russia. He's black. Yeah, I don't want to come on this live and start making you guys laugh, man. I'm going to sleep, bro. Tomorrow.
So much racist going on here.
Where's Kitty? Where's Meow Meow?
I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't see. Yeah, she.
Yo, where's Raji, man? Raji is on it.
He's gone. He's gone. He moved to Mars.
He moved to Mars?
Yeah.
He
Never heard about from him. So since
He moved from trading?
yeah, last time he talked to me on Friday, I guess. After that, that guy is gone.
Oh, shit.
Did
Oh,
Trump?
Raji, I know you are watching this live. It was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Trading
Maybe-
is not for the weak, man. It's not for the weak.
Are you pumping him?
You gotta be strong mentally, physically, emotionally.
Are you
You gotta
pumping?
be trained. Like, dude, I started trading 2016, bro. Even with my busy schedule, I'm trying to find to trade, bro. I don't care, bro. But I hope you come back. I haven't heard from my boyfriend. Stop breaking. You have his number. Reach out to him, bro. Yeah, you should call him, bro. Bro, what do you mean? Maybe. What do you mean maybe? There's no maybe. Just call this guy. Tell him we miss him. Tell him like we are waiting for him open arms. He's always welcome. I do have his number. Of course, you know you have his number, bro. What are you talking about? That's your boyfriend, man. What do you mean? Alright, just take a little break. Yeah, yeah, you've trading, bro. You gotta take a break, man. Yeah, and that's why I was trying to tell people, man. You like the expense when you open a business. Think about it. Your expenses.
Here is some wise talk is coming from Mr. ZVZVT.
Yes, no, seriously. Like that's how I see this trading is a business, man. Like you gotta manage your expenses in order to. You don't even have a revenue. How you gonna no income? How you gonna make money if your expenses exceed your income? That's like business 101, finance 101. So I'm not gonna go buy top set 50K account, $50 account, then when I passed the eval and found it and blew it like 150 again, like nah, you know. You get look. I'm going 40 micro on this 4 account. If I don't pass by the 26, I'm closing them. I'm like blowing them because they're gonna charge me like a monthly fee, and then I'm gonna look for another cheaper account. But at least I'm learning from you, right? When I don't have time, I don't trade New York section because I'm busy with meeting with these freaking millionaires, and you know. And I'm on here like in the afternoon, bro, Asia section. Like my calendar is looking beautiful, man. Like yesterday was green, Sunday was green, so like today I didn't take any trade yet. So, but if you even upload this account, I don't care, bro. It's $25. It cost me $25. You know,
That's
who
it.
cares?
Yep.
But yeah, that's that plus like you know the mental, bro. You wanna be profitable. You wanna take pay out. That can burn you out, man. There's a lot of things going on, but yeah, I would just say, Raj, come back. We got you. We're gonna do another what is called free giveaway.
We will give you an account to restart your life again.
We're gonna give you a free giveaway so you can get like free Lucid account, and then you can take it easy.
Yeah. Yeah, don't worry.
I-
TBD got you, brother. TBD will
I got
gonna.
it, bro. No. If that's the case, let me go check family Go to Family Funded, get the fire account velocity is $25, then you're good to go, bro.
On family funded account?
Yeah, it's called something like that, bro. My aunt, I
Why?
know
Why
that
it's so
shit, bro.
cheap?
Family feature, families. I don't know to be honest, but that's what I'm using right now. And
Do
then
they even giving you a payouts?
I don't know. I haven't passed it count, so I must.
What's the name?
Family feature families. They have like a velocity 75% off on evals,
Uh-huh.
and I bought like $25 each, bro. But the profit target is 4,000. Your max loss is 2,225. But I believe it's
But
intraday.
here I see the okay, 50K is $100 per month. It's showing
Wait.
Prime
50K. No, go to the velocity, whatever that thing is.
What is the difference?
Yeah, so they have intraday trailing drawdown. And what else?
What's the difference in Prime and Velocity?
I think Prime is just regular. And then you see profit target is 3,000, max drawdown is 2,000, and minimum day to pass is one day.
So activation fee is included in that?
No. Well, I haven't done the Prime though. It has an EVA reset fee though. That's not activation. Well, actually, no, activation fee is $0 actually. Activation fee is $0, and then the drawdown tap is end of the day. It's a big difference, but I think to be honest, it's good for new beginners to just use that.
Yeah, but do you trust them? I never use them.
Like I said, I never passed the account because the profit target is 4,000. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Use that, but the time's not allowing me to do it. But I think with your strategy, bro, it's so easy to be honest. You just need to make 2,000 a day, like later, like Sunday. I went 40 micro with 4 accounts, and if I held just a little longer, it was easy. Bro, it was 12,000 totals. That's like what per account. That's a lot. Maybe 3,000 or 2,000 some change. So I would just say it's easier, and it's freaking $32, man. I don't know, bro. I got it for $25. Actually, I have to pass it, bro, before the 26th, please. And then I can, we can see how it goes, man. Let me ask Miss Nat. I think she passed the account, actually. Let me ask her if she still has that account.
Yeah, so they only have trade over it. Okay. Yeah, in the past, I didn't heard very good stories about them.
Who?
With this specific platform which you're saying.
Really? The funded feature families? And guess what?
It shut down, and then it opened up again.
There is the same owner as TPT, whatever you trade with it. TPT?
TPT, yeah, Take Profit Trader, yeah.
Take Profit Trader is the same owner.
No.
Yeah, they're affiliated. Yes, they are. Kitty joined, Kitty come. Yeah, check Google it. That's what Mr. Nak told me.
Yeah, I don't see anywhere they didn't mention that. Hey, thanks for the heart, guys. Yeah, we need 5 more heart me. If you can do it, much appreciated. Yeah, okay. If you say, I can check it out. Like, first we need to get some payouts from them or something like that, so we know, okay, we can trust them. Because whoever gonna come here,
I've been saying that since like what, April? Dude, that's when I got it. Miss Nak told me, she put me on this. But yeah, we can. Let me do it first. If I can pass this account, and then we can see. Because there is no activation fee. Damn, what the fuck is going on, bro?
Hello.
meow, meow, meow.
Did you guys take that drop?
No, meow. We take that push.
Oh, you missed a drop? Really?
Oh, yes, meow.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is some liquidity grab. Yes, this is a lot of grabbing here right now. you need to you need to be careful, buddy. It's gonna grab
There's no
everything.
way you thought there's no way. There's no way.
You know they
Nah, dude, that's a drop.
This is not alpha feature.
past 50 alpha prime evaluation. Now I'm stuck on 140 activation.
Dude, sell it to someone, bro. You can pay 150. Why?
What are we
I
talking
mean,
about?
I feel you. I feel you. I don't want to
What
discriminate.
happened?
It happens. It's 150 is a lot actually. That's someone's salary there. And you
What
make
happened? What are
multiple
you
of
talking
that.
about?
Now someone saying they use like Alpha Feature Prime to pass. Now they can pay the 150 activation fee.
It sound like TBD.
Yep,
What?
he's broke like me. That's why I want to find find a future family.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Market is going to be wild. Yeah, it's very aggressive right now. It's very volatile.
Very aggressive.
Yeah. I might blow my account right now actually in front of you guys. Wait, Trump said something, bro? That was 6 hours ago. Goal with no drama. So what's next, man?
Huh? What's next?
Hmm?
What you saying?
What's next?
The next is it's gonna close back in the range and starts pushing up. That's the next. Yeah, wait for this. Yeah, still that's why I was waiting for this hourly closure. So let's see if it closes back in the range, then I'm gonna call it a night. If it gives a closure below, then it's different. Let's see. Because this might be grabbing, you know. So let's see. He was hour away from breaking. Imaginary war. Yeah. If anything happened, even one small drone can be launched from any side, right? Right now, gold just that one news away from going higher highs. So yes, trade carefully, guys. Trade carefully. Okay.
Breaking is so funny.
Then we on. Yeah. See
Sorry, I was
the
busy.
huh?
I was busy, man. What's going on?
You were busy, man. You're too busy. You're too busy for us. Sorry. You're banned from here. So I banned from your main account and now you're joining from other account. Come on, TBT.
Hey, at least I'm not quitting like Raj, man. Raj, you cook, man.
Break in. Call him right now. Call Raj right now. Come. Break in. Join. Join. No. Break in. Join from your other account, the BRK one, and call Raj, and let's see what he say. I text him. He goes.
I text him, he ghosts me. Yo, how you gonna ghost your boyfriend, bro? What kind of relationship you guys in, bro?
Yeah. You said he's your boyfriend. I think it's time to change your boyfriend. TBD is free
And
nowadays, so you
this
can.
this guy, I comment on his TikTok. I said this guy is gold of gold, and he said, "No, bro, you are the NQ master." And of course, FEG King. I'm not FEG King, bro. Leave me alone. I don't know what's FEG. That's like what? FGU.
TBD.
Yes, sir.
Why you so gay?
Meow meow, why you laughing?
Just random. What the fuck are
I
y'all
know,
talking
right?
about?
FX is funny, bro. FX, you know what? You know what I have learned since from Jan? I started trading January, right? January, right? I was not. I don't know what was ICT, ICC, fair value gap. I never heard that in my entire life. Or
That's a that's a big.
listen, sorry, someone text me. So yeah, dude, I like the only thing I knew about stock, I mean trading was like moving average, RSI, support resistance, and patterns. That's all. But when I got into future trading and I started going to TikTok and YouTube looking for strategy, fuck, I was cooked, man. I had to learn all these new languages. I was like, fuck, am I learning Chinese? What is this? Fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. And so that messed with my brain, bro, with my mindset and everything. So I had no choice, right? If 90% of the people is following, I mean, that's you're not supposed to do that. But if 90% of my TikTok for you page is just like fair value gap. Oh, I'm at 10, 1,000, 2,000. What I want to do, I want to give it a try too, bro. That's what I did. And then I say it wasn't working, so I was like, yeah, fuck it. So that's why I'm not trading in NQ anymore. So,
Yeah, and
but yeah,
how long you been trading?
like futures, just 1 year. I mean, it's not even 1 year. Like I started like what January or February.
Okay, and overall, like in the stock market and all that, how long you been trading for that?
I started 2016, bro.
Yeah, you starting in 2016, right? Now
16,
imagine
17.
new people who are coming to the trading industry, right? And they wanna learn about the trading and all that, and they
Uh-huh.
started with those videos. Who have no
Yeah.
idea about like basics of the market, but they start learning that thing. How
It's
difficult
gonna
is going to be for them?
it's gonna be hard, man. It's gonna be hard. I feel like the best thing to do is even it's not AFX strategy, but I feel like supporting resistance. The market respects supporting resistance. And if your chart is clean, you can have like one, I guess if you like moving average, that's fine, or RSI, but like beside that, MACD, all that bullshit, it's just gonna confuse you,
Yeah,
man.
can you look at this where the exactly candle
I know.
reject? Look at this. Look at
I
the
can
exact point it touch it
and
and
then just yeah. You only
reject.
get that from support resistance, like supply demands.
Yeah. Now, if you're trading other strategy, it's gonna tell you, oh, look at this is the FVG and order block or
Order block.
all those
Fuck
things.
that shit, bro. There's order block
Meanwhile,
everywhere.
it's the basic of basics of basics of basics. That's it.
Yeah, bro, I agree, man. I respect you,
Yeah.
man. I told you, I always say that. So we good, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, that guy who show up earlier, I was like, okay, I was about to give him some good response, but when I open his profile, so he is basically selling his telegrams and all that shit. So that's why I blocked him
Mhm.
right away. I was like, no, I'm not gonna promote your shit here. When he was saying,
Yeah.
oh, uh, told you so and all those things, I was like, okay, bro, go somewhere else.
They define support as an institution orders.
Mm, market
Market
does.
doesn't. Uh, whatever. Imagine like if you can tell market respect all that level, no one will be poor, bro. We all will be rich. It's 99% probability, and then the rest is, you know, go with your guts basically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And look at that 1 hour flip.
1 hour flip. Okay. Oh. The 4 hour closure. I mean, the new 4 hour just opened. Same with the 1 hour. Ah. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. On the flip of this, look at this wick of this rejection. It's a huge. Even in 4 hour and 1 hour, it's tough. It's tough. Cool. Why you have the lines where have you? Yeah. TBD, you gonna answer this? Mr. Hill's comment? Mm, Mr. Sexy Boy, TBD.
Yeah. Those are called, bro. I don't want to miss. I want to take this flip and go to sleep, man. Those are called zones. You want to learn about that? You have to join the premium, and then Saturday we go over them. We teach them. We hold your hands and then mark here, mark here, mark here. That's how you will learn. But yeah, that's it. That's all you get, brother. I'm sorry. It's called zones. Google zone. For what is zone? For what is AFX zone? You're gonna see it. Actually, AFX. Can you put that on Google? Like the answer for your zone. What is AFX zone in the stock market, specifically gold? specifically gold. Let's see if you are really good. Holy shit. It's in the stock market community trading, there is no official or universal indicator known as the AFX zone. However, the term refers to confluence of supply and demand zone and liquidity zone. Damn, bro, I want to see why they didn't say AFX, bro. AFX, you are almost famous, man. When you invite me to Arizona, so I can be eating some of your money. That was funny. All right, FX. I think I wanted to take the flip on the 1 hour, but I'm not. I don't feel confident. I mean, count.
Just take a cell and go to bed.
Take a cell and go to bed.
Take a cell, go to bed.
40 micros. Lady, I cannot do that. I don't have that energy. I don't know how you do
that. What are you talking
about? Take the cell, go to bed, and TBD never wake up.
What's gonna happen?
Dude, just take a cell and go to bed. It's still dropping. Like, it's gonna continue to drop. It's been dropping all day.
How confident are you in?
All right. Now you want to talk.
Now the daily is on the doji, on the flipping up, down, up, down, up, down.
Come on, give me the flip. I think this is naturally bad. Risking for $400 per account.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why didn't you guys get that drop that just happened? What happened? Talk to me.
AFX is gonna explain that to you.
AFX, what happened?
We got cooked like.
She's adding some spice. She's adding some spice.
How did you guys get cooked? What happened? Did we go against the trend?
We did.
So what What made that decision happen?
Hold on,
What?
hold on, Kitty. Hold on. Relax, relax, relax. She's like, what? Relax,
No,
relax.
I'm
It's
just asking. I promise. I'm just
we
asking.
went on the private jet instead. So that's what happened. So Shining Star, she said, "Okay, I'm gonna get on the rocket and I'm gonna fly this rocket." I was like, "Okay, let's do this." And as soon
Okay.
as Shining Star put us everybody on that rocket, it starts dropping. So that's what happened.
Oh, okay. So Shining thought it was gonna flip, and then
Yeah.
we all took it, and then
Yeah.
okay.
But now it can drop. We can take advantage of it, but look at the time and the volume. It's gonna range little bit, then it's gonna keep continue fall, slow, 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 slow. A slow poison death. I don't want it anymore. If there's volume, then we can definitely look for some sell positions right there.
Well, I've been in sales since market opened, so I caught that whole drop with three three minis.
Slow poison death, yes, it is. In the this
So,
is what happened, Shining Star in the low volume time.
so Shining thought it was going up.
Mhm. Yeah, she's the one who said it's gonna go up. Shining and Daisy both. By the way, the hourly is flipping. If you wanna risk it here right now, put like very minimum stop loss, like at the top of this current hourly. That would be a good one for looking for some big fill here, right? This is the very small stops, right? It's not big one, not huge stop loss. So if that happen, otherwise TBD is fired.
Damn.
I need to put these things on somebody's, right? That's what chat do whenever they come here, they lose or they make money. I mean, first of all, they never show up any appreciation when they're winning, right? So whenever
Right.
somebody lose or you're in drawdown, oh man, you're gonna see those comments. My handsome brother, yes. There was good volume up just now when we decided to go on the jet. Yeah. Yeah.
So you had trolls today?
So much, so many times.
I
When
wish
you're
I
in
was here.
drawdown, that's what you expect, right? They're never gonna show up on the winning time. Always when you hit your SL or drawdown, I told you, bro, I told you so, and all that. So,
Of course, they love doing that.
duh, duh. They swipe, 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 and they look for somebody who is in the drawdown, and that's where they're like, this is where I'm gonna do some comments here.
Kitty, we needed you to yell it down. No, I love to do that, love.
All right, let's see this roller coaster how it pushed down. This is the second entry, I mean second try. If that happen, most welcome. If not, then call it a night.
Kitty,
One
why did I get in at open? I got in at open because it started continuing the way that it was. It was a continuation.
open what?
When market opened at 6,
Okay.
yeah, it was still a continuation. So
Yeah.
I just got in. If you guys didn't know,
That's human nature, yes, Jay. That's human nature. But some people are way more negative than they're supposed to be, you know.
yeah, like that one guy. When I posted my chart, he was like, "Oh my god, what the fuck is this? This chart fuck!"
Yeah. If you are up in the greens, they're never gonna show up. So right now, let's say I'm in the greens, they're gonna see it and they're gonna go somewhere else. Oh, he's already making money and all that shit. So they're never gonna show up.
They just
When-
want you to just like change your strategy because they're right. They just want to feel right all the time. And like we said earlier, Having drawdown is normal in the market. If
Absolutely.
you're not used to it, get the hell out. Like, seriously. It's there for a reason.
If you're too scared, like, this is going to happen all your life. No matter how long you've been trading, you're gonna see
Yeah.
drawdowns, you're gonna see SL, you're gonna see losses. It's going to be side by side. So if you're only thinking, okay, oh, you're just gonna make money, that's going to be then very, very tough for you, my friend. Very, very tough.
Prime example, my calendar. Y'all should see mine. It's very simple. It happens. Yeah, if you over leverage, you lost. Yeah. Yeah, this is just continuing. I think it's just gonna stop like that. Let's see.
Yeah, if you want to do it, you can put the stops at BE and enjoy this ride as well.
Yeah, because it's about to dump like something serious.
Yeah.
It's got so much to fill. I think it's gonna go down to 4,300. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, oh my god, it's gonna just keep going.
One way or the other way, market will get you to the wrong side. Yes, sir. Absolutely. You get free fall. That will be great. Yep. Let's see. Eventually, I think we will get one.
Don't get discouraged, AFX. We're here. Fuck those weird people. They ain't shit. They ain't doing shit. Guys, tap the screen. Why we ain't at 50K likes? What's going on? I've been gone and y'all ain't been doing nothing. Nothing, yo. What's going on up in here? Oh, no. Y'all better get to 50K and he over here at 10 o'clock. What's going on, y'all? We don't do this. Not this family. We about to get on this roller coaster. We all gonna make over $1,000 with this nice free fall. And we're gonna go to bed with a smile on our face and dream about the market like we always do. Right? How many of y'all had dreams about the market yet? I know I've been having hella dreams about the market. Baby, I thought I was in the trade. I woke up in the middle of the night and I opened my chart. I was like, ooh, I ain't in the trade. What am I doing?
Istanbul, how we feeling tonight?
What are you? Oh, don't tell me you're on Prosecco.
Oh, no. I just have a glass of red wine.
You guys are absolutely crazy. Thank you so
You know, a glass of red wine is really healthy for your heart.
Yeah, I heard that.
Make sure it doesn't have no sugar in it or nothing. Just a little tart. Alexa, turn on master bedroom light.
Stop filled. I got stopped out. Oh god, that's why I don't like break even. Freaking stupid break. Bro, you gotta change your name to break and break. Bro, why your name is break and bro?
You didn't hear that from me. That wasn't. Baby, I'm still in. What you talking about? That wasn't me.
No, that was me, bro. I gotta go to sleep, man. I gotta go to sleep. Kitty, I don't know how you do it. I cannot leave my tray on and go to sleep. Hell no.
That's what I'm doing tonight. I'm gonna let this thing fall, honey. I got confidence in myself.
Where's AFX? I gotta go. It's too.
Not the wine, not the trade.
Like, I was up like, not the trade, not the wine, no the wine. I was up 500, but I took partial and then break even. Now I'm only up to 70, which is bad for this account. I need at least like 2,000 a day.
I want to make 10,000 a day.
Yeah, you gotta put me on the games, bro. How you be making that?
I literally told you. You guys just don't. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's that simple. I don't know. Like, I don't know what else I can say.
I know we're breaking. I'm not gay, bro. I'm just tired, bro. I gotta wake up early. It wasn't. It's. I don't know. It's volume is not there. Like we going against our own thing. Like I feel like after 10, volume is dead, man. To be honest. That's not true.
No, it's been a lot of times where London dropped like crazy. I think the biggest drop happened in London. Yeah, the biggest drop happened in London.
No, but I'm saying like after like 9, you know, Asia is like 8 to.
Not
When the
Tokyo.
market opened, there's a lot of volume, right? You know that. But after that, like 1 hour or 2 hours, is like just nothing going on anymore. That's how what I observed so far on Asia. I don't know about other section.
I'm gonna be in this trade until I wake up tomorrow. So.
Yeah, I gotta pass this. Fuck, I can't bring my tablet with me tomorrow. Damn, bro. Oh shit. Now I'm stressing out because I need to pass this account before the 27th, or else I want to blue on purpose. So I don't want to pay a reset fee for that stupid.
What you mean? You have to pay like monthly for this?
Yeah.
So this is the benefit of like Lucid. You don't have to pay that, right?
Reset fee.
Yeah, once you're in, you're in.
You in? You even though it does. There's no pressure, right?
Yeah.
To pass, or you can take your time slowly.
Yes, sir.
That's why you should get the direct. You don't have to pass.
That's also true. Yeah. Forget about the funny feature, right? You're right. That's true. That's true. It's good. It's the money's. Yeah, it's better that way actually.
Yeah, what's the
Lucid
point?
is
Let's
better.
say, what's the point if you spend like 1-2 months passing those accounts, and once when it's times to get the payouts, they start doing drama, you know? You're wasting this whole time.
And then you
Hey,
gotta make $20
thanks for
just
the
to
heart.
pass the eval. I hate that. Oh my god. I needed $20 to pass an eval and I lost 500. Like, are you kidding me right now?
Normal. That's
No.
normal. That's normal.
No. I'm getting that direct. I'm getting 2. I don't care. I don't care. I'm getting it.
All right, guys. What's tomorrow? Wednesday. I will see you guys tomorrow.
You have 2 days with me, TBD.
Damn.
Then
Kitty.
you're at your own.
Please check your DM. Check the DM. You better send me that chart. That 4-hour flip.
I already told you to flip. How many
He's-
times
Nah,
do
I'll
I
join your
tell
live
you?
and then we do a
He's-
quick recap. I didn't capture it good. But yeah, the 4-hour flip, yeah. AFX, so you gone for how long? 1 week?
2.
Kitty, you can host a live, man.
No, I am not. No.
Just for us, just me and
No.
Breaking, please.
I gotta make
Just
you
me
guys
and Breaking.
moderators, and I can do a
Huh?
private live, but that's it. I'll do
Yeah.
a private
No,
live.
no, guys, don't worry. I'm taking
Yeah,
my
AFX,
laptop.
you can send nice signal, bro, on the premium.
No,
We
we're
got
gonna
it.
do live. We're gonna do live.
We're
What
gonna
you
do
mean?
live? Let's go.
London sessions.
Look at the drop. Okay, he's go to his
London sessions.
I'll go live and I'll make you guys moderators, and then we could like I don't.
TBD, call me. TBD,
Oh.
call.
Y'all
I'll call
gonna
you
have
Breaking.
huge drawdown with me. Y'all gonna be like, oh hell no.
But yeah, I don't know how you take. Yeah, you need to put me on that game because. Yeah. How do you like? I mean, you go like with like how many now? 2 minutes, 1 minute,
Now I'm
risking
doing
1,000,
now I'm doing 3.
3 minutes, and then risking how much? 1,000,
No,
2,000,
no,
500.
$5,000 per trade.
What's your account size?
My account size is the 50K, but I have a huge buffer. So yeah.
This is like a funded account.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a huge. Okay, shit.
Yeah. So I can risk that, but you have to get that first. Like you have to. So when I do my direct, right? What was the direct drawdown TV AFX?
For the one,
3,000.
yeah, 3,000 for 150K. Yep.
Yeah. So then with that, I'm just gonna do one mini, and then I'm just gonna risk maybe 1,500, maybe 1,000. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But since I have such a small drawdown, yeah, I'm gonna go back to one. But the reason why I went to three is because I have a huge buffer, and I could just lose that without affecting
Yeah.
my account. You know what I mean? So
Makes sense.
y'all got it. Yeah.
Bro, are you in, bro? Stop asking, bro. If bro's in, bro. God. To FX, I respect you. I salute you, man. God, I will lose my mind, bro. Don't go live, Kitty, because I'll go crazy on the live.
I said I would go. I was
Yeah, I
going
don't know, man.
private.
This
It's
is
gonna be a private live. Subscribers
Yeah.
only. No one's a subscriber, so it's
like
just gonna be
who
the
told you
moderator.
to go long or short? We're not selling you Telegram signal here. We talk about are you in? Are you in? How many times you gonna ask? Are you in? You out? Are you in? Put it together. Put it together. My African accent is coming out. Put it together. Are you in and out? God, he's in both, man. He's in and
Yeah,
out.
let him copy that. AFX. Let him copy that for sure.
But yeah, I'm breaking. TBD, are you in? That's gay. Asking that question. Are you in?
Yo,
Yo, why you asking me though if I'm in, bro? Why you asking someone beautiful face like this? Are you in? God
Pause.
damn it, nasty boy. Yo, check this guy's. Check
What
his
is
profile.
going on here?
I'm thinking about getting one code AFX. Yes, get one. What do we do? Like, you guys are making all this money and it's just going for evals. Like, come on, you can just have that in
Wait,
your
how much is the
wallet.
Lucy Direct?
I'm getting the $800 one, but with the 50%, it's like $420. The 100K.
50K count?
That's even cheaper than getting the eval, because your TBD you're gonna blow at least 4 or 5 evals to get the funded.
That's what I'm going. That's what I'm smart. That's what I'm in business. That's what I started business because I want to see my. I didn't spend too much on evals. I mean, I don't trade like every day, but like based on my investment on eval, it's not a lot so far. I haven't taken any payout. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't think so. It's more than. I didn't spend more than like 800 or 1,000 on evals yet, and I'm not trading full time. When I was doing, yes, a lot of times, yes, it would make sense to buy that. But I had it like what's it called? I had a fund account with Tapset, and they asked me to pay when I blew that fund account. They asked me to pay $600 to reset that fund account.
It's 800.
It's 800.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hold on. I'm not doing that. Heck no.
Yeah,
If I had that payout, yes, maybe, but no payout. Yeah, that's a big investment.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Yeah.
never paid that XFA reset fee.
Yeah,
it's
too much.
it is.
Yeah.
When you
All
just
right,
buy
guys.
a direct one for the
I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out.
$300, and then you're good. You're right
All
back
right.
in.
AFX, Kitty, Breaking, Califo. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Dang.
Talk to you guys tomorrow.
All right. Bye. Take
Bye.
care. $400 to reset 25K Lucid funded. No. You can get from $400 the 150K Lucid Direct account, funded account. So you don't have to pass the eval right now.
Guys, if y'all thinking about getting an account, get the Lucid Direct, okay? Use the code AFX, get a payout, make sure y'all are profitable, make sure y'all following his trades, understand the market, do it yourself if you want. You know, I was in sales, you guys was in buys. I don't know. I don't know what happened. But what I'm saying is once you learn the concept of it, you guys will start being able to make your own trades and be confident in it and walk away. But get the direct, because there's no point of you blowing your eval, buying another one, blowing it, buying the eval, blowing it. When all you gotta do is get it direct. And you don't have to pay for the activation. It's already in there. So you might as well get one.
From day one, you start making money.
Yeah,
Instead of
from day
struggling
one.
with the, yeah.
I should have already got one because this trade I'm in right now, holy hell, I could have put that with the
Why-
funded account. that I
Why
have
pay
now.
that if you can trade and pass an eval in 1 or 2 trades? Hmm.
Because you're still going to have to pay either, it depends on the type of accounts you have, you're still going to have to pay $150 to $100 or $200 for that account to be activated. So you might as well just go ahead and buy the account that you have now and then just, start making your profit there. Because the money you already have to pass the eval, that could have just been directly to your funded, if you want to ask me.
It will take some time for everybody to understand what we're trying to explain them.
All right, so let me make it clear. 1 second. All right, here we go. Right, you have to pay. You have to make what on a 50K eval? You have to make $3,000 to pass that eval. If you already got a funded account, that $3,000 would just automatically be yours. It would not have to go towards an eval. It's going towards your actual account. Then all you have to do is continuously be profitable
Wait.
for what, 3 days?
1 second, 1 second. Guys, I'm closing all my positions. I'm not in sell. I'm not in buys. I'm gonna call it a night. No more trade for me. Okay? Yes, carry on, Kitty, now.
I forgot.
Now you know when I'm trading and all that, and I read these comments and then back to the price and all that. Like it's constantly I'm doing this every time, like when I do live. So
Yeah.
yes, yeah. So see, when I'm trying to explain something with somebody asks question, and there's another question in the chat, and then I got distracted with that, and that thing is halfway there. Yeah, you were talking about like telling about the lucid directs and like how it works, all that.
Oh yeah. Okay, so you're putting $3,000 into an eval account. All this time, you could have just had a direct, and that $3,000 would have just been on your funded account. And then once you pass your eval, you have to pay another $100, $150, $200 to activate that account. Okay. Why not just go ahead and pay it now? That $3,000 is yours. Get a payout and call it a day. Like, it's so simple. And this opportunity does not happen all the time. These prop firms do not have this type of deal all the time. That's why they know it's such a big deal. That's why I put a limit on it of 2 per person. Because a lot of people would have been like 10, 15, 30. Like, yeah. But I'm saying get a Lucid account. No, a Lucid 150 direct funded is $800. With the AFX code, it's only $420, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. The 100K direct funded, you don't have to pass an eval. You don't have to do that. Is $350 with the AFX code, I believe. Then there's the what is it, the 50K, and then all that, and it has no activate. It's already activated.
It's your funded account basically. The
Yeah.
the time you're gonna spend and the money you're gonna spend passing all these evals, right? You're gonna get it right away. Like you're gonna save all the money you're gonna spend by failing, blowing your evals and try to get funded, plus the time you're gonna spend, maybe 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. Like some people spend months just to pass one eval. This will basically save you so much time and money.
Trust me, I'm not buying any more evals again. I'm sorry, unless I just want to play with the market. Literally, if I want to just do something, then I'll get evals. But now I'm just getting direct accounts because there's no point. There's literally no point. I feel like evals are for people who want to learn, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But once you got it down packed and you're making profits like how me and AFX and Breakin and Rajbir and Daisy, all of us, the ones that are in VIP, how much profit we're bringing in, there's no point of an eval. Like literally, your payouts will pay for the direct funded in a week if you are profitable like that. And I'm talking about thousands of dollars. I'm not just talking about a couple hundred. No, I'm talking about thousands of dollars in a week. Like, it's right there. You guys just have to trust the process. Like, you know, those TikTok videos be like, trust the process, trust the process, trust the you trust the process. Now they look amazing. Like, gosh, it's the same thing with trading. Like, trust the process, guys. Literally. So AFX, talk to me. You know, we have to go. We have to go over what happened earlier. What happened? Because I wasn't in here. Tell me what really happened.
Nothing. This hourly gives a closure above those zones, right? So I add the small position there, and then we wait for the flip, right? It did a little bit flip, and then boom, it starts pushing down, 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 and we never see the upside then over that. So that's
So,
what happened. Yeah,
so where was the markings for
it's right
for
there
confirmation?
where I have it right now. So that's where the marking
Okay.
was it. Yep.
So basically, that was like a fake out.
Yes, exactly.
Ah, I gotcha. Okay. I mean, that makes sense. I would probably said the same thing if it closed above that too, for sure.
D-Man. Oh, he's already
Look at
passed the
that.
eval. Congrats, man.
That's great. Yeah, that $3,000 could have been in your pocket if you were. Never mind. Let me be quiet. All right. I'm gonna take a contract out. Oh my God, it's just dropping. Let me take it.
Yeah,
Let me take
it
one
is.
out.
It's gonna
All
drop.
right.
Yeah.
All right. I took one out. Holy shit.
The volume is still here in the market, though. It is pushing up and down, up and down, up and down.
It's going for that wick fill. I already know it. I already know it. I love it. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love trading right now. Like, oh, it does something to me.
Yes, yes.
And then it closed doji and dropped next hourly. Yeah, that doji candle, man. Like that I don't like doji candles. Like, I hate when I see a doji candle. Either it's hourly. I go by hourly. I'm sorry, 30 hour, 4 hour. If I see a doji candle in that, I'm getting out of that trade completely. I don't care if it continues to drop.
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, the way it's pushing down, it looks like it's gonna go big fill and might start breaking the daily lows. If it do that, let's say in hourly still needs like what 26 minutes, 15, yeah. So if this hourly keep continue push down, gives a wick fill and give a closure here, we can again push down 20 towards 4400s as well.
For sure. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I'm thinking SL, I mean not SL, but TP would probably be like, now this might be a reach, but 4408 maybe.
Yeah, that's where I already marked here and down.
Yeah, we marked them together, remember? Yeah.
Yes. You
my
remember? Yeah, my nephew, he always say, remember?
Wait, AFX, you don't have any kids?
You all are my kids, right?
I know you fucking lying. Hold on 1 second. Is this what we get? Wait a minute. Wait, I gotta get out of this. Wait, I gotta take another one out. Hold on. I'm up. Okay, so I got back in at this. Okay, so I'm gonna take one more out. All right, cool. Now
I need to get the profit. I need to manage this trade right now.
Yeah, no, because I'm up like almost $4,000. Like I gotta get out of this.
Here, guys, you're gonna get a lot of profit. You're gonna catch here, there.
Yeah. Thanks, Daddy. Daddy.
Why it sounds so weird when you say?
I don't know. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah. All right, look at D Money here. D Money just passed his funded 50K. All right, that's good, man. That's good. Very nice. D Man, it's D Man, not D Money. I don't know why I'm saying D Money. It's J Money, the other guy, but this is D Man. Great, man. Great, good call.
I'd best be the favorite son. I don't know about all that, but you can go ahead and claim it. No, but okay, so all right, so tomorrow, remember I like to do this, right? Tomorrow, on how the market's moving now, right? Where do you feel like when we come back on live, where do you feel like this may be going? Do you feel like
Yeah, the higher time frames it still shows, like if you see the weekly and the dailies, like it's showing the potential for going downside, right? So this is what I see it when I start like doing all the analysis before we start trading Asian session. So there's high possibility that it can drop, but also during the London session it might range in this zone, and in NY session it might gives a breakout. We still have good around 500 more ticks to play with, maybe in Asian session. Yeah, but the volume, look at this, it looks like it's gonna give us a nice wake fill, and then maybe plan to do the further drop, something like that, some crazy thing.
Yeah, I feel like it's going to continue. Like I feel like it might be that like that past London session when that huge when we woke up and was like, yo,
Yeah.
I feel like that's what it's doing because it did range a long time today in what was it, New York? And then it did a small drop. It was a small
Yeah.
drop, but it wasn't like big like that
Don't
other one.
don't worry, don't worry. Next week we're gonna do the London session instead of New York
Oh
sessions.
yeah, you're going out of town. You know what? I'm not even gonna come around. I'm just gonna just put you guys on do not disturb and not trade for like a week.
Even in London session?
No, I'm gonna be I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
You
No,
better
so my
you better
friend,
show up on London session because Breakin or Raj, I know they're gonna be sleeping for sure because Breakin he have to go to his job and all that. But
yeah, for sure.
yeah, TBD being the favorite is
No, I don't think TBD's TBD talks fast. I think y'all be confused.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll be awake though. What time though? Like 3 a.m. our time, or you know?
Yeah, that's when the London session opens. So I think over there it's the same, maybe 9 a.m. Uh, that time zone. Maybe that's when open. But I'm not promising anything because right now I don't know because I'm gonna travel three different places there, right? So if I get time in between, definitely we're gonna do it. Otherwise, yes, I'm gonna posting the charts in the Discord for our loved ones. I can't sleep. What the anyway, so I can make it worse.
Yeah, why not? May as well.
What trading platform do you guys use? TradeAwait or TradeC? For
I
Lucid,
like trade C.
yeah, TradeC is much better. You can use on the phone, you can use on the PC, on your iPad. That's more convenient.
For sure. Are you in a trade, Avid?
No, I close it. I'm done. I'm gonna.
Why'd you close it?
Nah, I'm
Go
done.
to sleep with this trade. Like, let's just go to bed with one mini and just call it a night. You'll make almost $7,000 in the morning. It can't go anywhere but down. Like, there's no way this is flipping. If this flips, I'm gonna be like, yo, that's crazy. Yo, this is wild. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, yeah. If you compare this candle size with the previous one, it shows still a huge potential, which is around, yes, 4409, 4408, that those zones. Why? Look at this daily clean candles on the left, right? But is it gonna drop tonight? Is it gonna drop in London session? Is it gonna drop in annual session? We don't know yet. But there is high probability that it can drop further, right? So let's see this hourly closure, right? So if this hourly closure gives us a nice bearish momentum, then we can look for that entry for sales. Right now, I'm not in any trade. I close out all of them.
There's a lot of news coming up too.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. I think it's tomorrow. Let me see. Hold on.
There's no news tomorrow, or it is it? Let me see. Sir, what do you think about 4414? Yes, I think it's good zone. It's good.
Wait, how did you filter this? Hold on. Filter. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, tomorrow we have nothing.
Yeah.
But you said a lot of news.
Because on Top Step, it's showing you like a lot of
That's
news.
too much noise. That's too much noise.
I
That's
know.
why
I wish I can take it off, but I can't. It's like at the bottom. I can't take it off.
if you cross that, I think you can. If you just cross it out.
But then I'll miss the other news that really matter.
Yeah, but you don't have to watch on the top step. You can watch at the Forex Factory.
Oh no, I'm on 4 hour. And it's for it's for the 20. Wait, tomorrow's the 20th. What is going on? Okay, maybe you know what?
How many bottles today?
None. I just had a glass. Excuse me.
Glass. Okay, all right.
I had one
That's-
glass of wine that is very healthy for you. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Where's wifey? She can confirm. Hey, did you show her that picture? I
Actually, not the picture, but I show her the whole things you were talking about that picture. Because on YouTube it's recorded, right? So I played back on the YouTube and she was laughing. She was like, oh, why you do it yourself to you?
You made this. What did you?
But
how did you make that picture? I want to know.
it's AI. It's AI.
So wait, did you take a picture of yourself and then like?
No, it was okay. Let me show you the original picture. That's very, very different from this one. Let me show you.
Okay.
Which one was it? I wasn't even wearing a suit. I was just okay. This was okay. This was the original picture. Can you see it? This was the original picture, right?
Okay, that's not a bad. Wait,
Yes.
how old is that picture?
It's I don't know, maybe like few months ago, something like that.
So what did AI do? Like zoom in and made you crop your face out or
Yeah,
something? And
yeah,
then-
it's something like that. And then I tried this one, right?
Yeah, that's too much shadow. It's
Yeah.
way too much shadow.
Yeah, it's too much shadow, yes. So, yep.
You need to like okay, so like you know when you make your videos and you just need to screenshot yourself on your videos and then put it in AI and then have it do it.
Do you
'Cause
think
that
I
is
have
like-
I have that much time to
if
do?
you can rewatch your YouTube about somebody I heard they switched a lot of red photos to orange. Oh, really? There's no news though, so he can do it for you. I mean, I can, but like, I want him to learn how to do it though. You got to do it.
I'm doing this one. That's it. I'm done. This one.
I know you.
Why?
Ain't no way.
Why
Ain't
not?
no way.
I
Nah.
like it. I like it. It's
No,
no.
no, no. Where's the beard? You know.
Okay. Okay. You need to choose either that one or this one.
Just
You
the
need to
other
choose.
one. The other one. The other one.
Okay. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I promise. I'll do something tomorrow. Maybe a next crazy thing.
What are you going to Germany for? What are you guys doing down there or over there?
Just visiting some family, and
Okay.
yeah.
I made this German soup. I don't know what it is called. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not gonna butcher the name, but it was so delicious. Oh my goodness, it was
Mm.
so good. I had like olive oil. It had these little rice thingies in it. It had like parsley. It was so many things, but it was so good. It was like a great concoction of everything. I don't know, but it was so good. I don't know.
Yeah.
So when are we going to meet in Korea? Are we all going to Korea or are we just like, never going?
Never going.
That's insane. Don't make me sad. You're gonna make me cry.
Mm.
Okay. But
What we gonna do there?
there's
What's
so many things to do. They have a cherry blossom festival. Like you can go to like so many parks and stuff. They have so many things to try. Like they have like so many desserts and like so many dishes that we can try. It's this dish called the boki. Oh my god, it's like rice cakes, but it's a little spicy. It's on the spicy side, but you can get it unspicy. Um, like you could probably buy some property there.
Hmm.
We are not going there. Breaking, yes, you are. I'm dragging you by your earlobes. She's going there to check out the guys. Absolutely am. Hello? What? Why wouldn't I? Well, I am a woman. I am a woman. I need to find my future husband, of course.
Yeah, definitely. And now you have money, so it will be much easier.
Oh no, they ain't gonna know about all that. I'm gonna be a homeless, broke person walking around.
Yeah. No, I already have like 3 trips planned for this year. So after this, then I'm gonna go to 2 more trips. Those are short trips, not this long ones. So we
Okay.
can see something. Since you're coming to Texas, we have Asif there, we have Saber there, we have people.
Yeah, I'm only gonna be there for a few days though. I'm not gonna be there for like a week. I'm gonna be there for a few days. And I'm going to be with my goddaughter. So I'm not gonna be able to do anything really.
Mm.
I'm not even gonna be able to meet anyone. But I've been waiting to meet Rajveer. I don't know what's going on with him. He wanted to go on a date, so like let's do it, you know? I don't know. I don't know. AFX, let me stay in Arizona with you. I graduated in Arizona. It's crazy. University of Phoenix. Crazy work.
Let me stay.
You're in Texas, Jen? Where are you in Texas? Wait, are you Korean? You can wait.
Are
I
you
don't get
Korean?
this.
What you
Wait,
mean?
are you? Hold on, Jen. Hey, are you playing?
Guys, be careful. Today, Kitty is just one glass.
Hey, AFX, pull up the profile. I need to see this. Hold on.
Okay.
You're Korean. Wait a minute. Let me see what you looking like.
Yeah, come on the call. Let's see if you are or not. You need to speak Korean.
Wait, how old are you though? Cause like I'm an old head.
He's 19.
Oh
Is it gonna work for you?
no,
What age is required?
my age requirements are probably like
65.
like 33 to like 50.
50.
Yeah, I can deal with a 50-year-old. My ex was 53.
Okay. But he was Pakistani, right?
No, okay, so the ex that was Pakistani and he was 36. His name was Romani. He was nice. He was nice. He was very nice. We just moved apart, but he was really nice. He's the reason why I'm in the tech field. Yeah, he was really cool. www, good night. Yeah, good night.
He's just running now. He's just running because now he's like, okay, they're gonna call.
Why are you running? How old are you?
Come on, hop on the call, buddy. Come on, let's have some chit chat.
Oh my god, I don't bite.
Yeah.
I'm a fun time.
Don't worry, she only get just one glass. That's it.
Oh my god, AFX, you know what? I'm about to block you. I'm blocking you. I am blocking. You're 50? He said 59. 50. Jay, wait a minute.
No, he said 50, but looks like 35.
He said 50.
Someone sent me request on Discord with your exact name. No, that's not me. That is not me. And that's not the exact my name. Go look at my name.
I just
Check.
turned 80, kitty. Is that going to be okay? No. What the fuck? No, bring it, stop. Listen, Jen, if you are still in here, honey, I am over 30. Okay? I am over 30. Okay? Don't be scared to talk to people, okay? Don't be scared. It's all right.
Yeah, she's over 30 and you look like 30s. It's a good match. And
It
you
is a good match.
are a Korean, right?
Wait,
You can
how tall are you? How tall are you?
4'9".
How tall are you, AFA? You look like you about like 5'9", maybe 5'10",
I'm
stretching it.
I'm I'm 4'5".
I know you lying.
I'm 4'5".
Why are you shrinking?
This is my height, guys. This is how I say.
AFA, you like 5'8",
I
5'9".
put few cushions under my butt so I can look bigger.
He like 5'8", 5'9", y'all. Don't listen to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he like 5'8", 5'9". It's okay. All right, so with this
Breaking
thing,
your 6'4". Damn, breaking.
oh my god, I would
He's
be to your chest, I guess. I'm only 5'5". Like I'm pretty short. Yeah, I'm 5'5". Maybe 5'4". I don't know. Maybe I'm shrinking a little bit. Yeah, this
yeah.
is
You should start eating some meat, I guess.
No,
Some steak. Maybe you'll be fine then.
absolutely not. Actually, I want some tteokbokki. I do want some tteokbokki. Ooh, some kimchi. Ooh, kimchi's so good. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. 6'4" and still good. How tall are you, Jay? How tall are you guys? Like, are you guys like
Speaking
really
of Jay, Jay. All right. Yeah, he's Kitty. He needs your help. He's been trying to get into the WoW, into the premium, but I don't know for past 2 days. Jay, come on, hop on the call, and let's see what's your issue is if you want to do that, or you can ask questions in the chat, whatever you're comfortable with.
What is WAP showing you, by the way?
Yeah, I asked him for the screenshot. He never sent it. Jimmy still can't get a break in. Come on, buddy. We can find somebody for you. I wish
Brandon got a
from TikTok we
girlfriend.
can do the co-hosting with you here.
Breakin has a girlfriend. He's 6'4" with a deep voice, and like, hello, he works out. He has a girl. Like, don't believe him. He definitely has a girl.
Or maybe some boys.
Maybe. Rawr.
Rawr. Where's that OJ guy, man? Where's that
No.
OJ?
Oh my God, no. Please. God, no. I'm trying to figure out if I want to get out of this trade or not. I'm up like 6,000.
Yeah, if you're already up, let's say you have the better entry, then yeah, put that the BE and let it run.
But even with BE though, like it still can go up and then take me out and then drop again.
Or you can trail it or book. So you're taking one GC, right?
Yeah, now I closed out all the rest of them.
Yeah, so now if you have MGC, you can close partials, right?
I took my partials. I had 3 and I just took them out. I took them out. Yeah. Maybe put it at 3K and guaranteed some deposits. Yeah, but that's so tight right now, you know? Like it's so tight. I don't know. That is such a tight. Like we're like it's going up and down. How much it's changed for like up and down on GC. It's like that can easily take me out. And then this new hourly is about to open too. So it's like, do I really want to do that or this 30 points still? Yeah. I don't know. I just might. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I might just let it run. Wouldn't it be just let it and then see what I do tomorrow? Because I just feel like it will just drop. Like I feel like it has nowhere to go besides that. Like look at the 4 hour, right? And then like look onto your left, like how you showed me how to do, right? Where can it possibly like what like where? How? Where? I don't think it would ever I don't think it can go up. Nothing is showing that it will go up. Nothing. I can't find anything that will show it's going up. No news, no tweets. I'm pretty sure Donald Trump has passed out from his medication. Nothing can, make this go up. Nothing.
But
Like
one
nothing.
but one tweet can do that.
Yeah, he can't even read right now. Like he can't even see the light right now because he's knocked out.
Who
I'm
knows?
pretty sure. I'm pretty sure he had a glass of bourbon and like his toupee is off of his scalp. Definitely not doing anything extra tonight. Okay, so the wick fill is here. If it passes the wick fill, I'm staying in.
Yep.
So,
And you can trail your stops.
yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna put it at. All right. I'm gonna trail it. I'm gonna just trail it.
See you all guys. Yeah, take care, Jay. Take care, buddy. See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
Jay. See you tomorrow. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm not trailing. I'm just gonna let this ride. No, I'm gonna trust it. Trust the process. If I'm down like $5,000, that's where I'm gonna set my SL 5,000, and then let it run. How about that?
Yep. Yep.
All right, guys. Well, AFX is ready to go to night night. He ready to go bed. He ready to go eat. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry I missed most of the session. I'm sorry. I had karate today and I had to cook. So yeah. But all right, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is it Wednesday or Thursday? Oh, it's Wednesday.
It's
All right.
Wednesday.
So yeah, we still have 2 Asian sessions and 2 New York sessions. All right. After that, London sessions.
You need to stay up because when you go to Germany, you're gonna have jet lag. So like, you might want to train yourself a little bit.
So you can come and take trades and all that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna message you like meow and then block you for like an hour.
Okay. All right, guys. Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night. Take care. See you tomorrow morning. Yeah. Take care, chat. If you have questions, this is your time. Please do ask. For next 2 minutes, this hour is also about to close. So ask your beautiful questions now. Whatever in your mind. Otherwise, we're gonna see each other tomorrow. Will it drop more and more? Yeah, if it gives a closure below Shining Star, then yes, it will definitely drop more. Yes, I do give a try, but I just close it out. I was like, okay, it is what it is. If you already like just sit on those cells, you might just make it whatever you lose and you're up for tonight. Right? I'm slightly still down for these accounts. That's fine. We're gonna come back tomorrow's session and make it right away. So market is going nowhere. If you in the drawdown, if you hit it, if it hit your SL and all those things, nothing to worry about. Come back next session with the fresh mindset and all that. You can literally make it all those back. Do we have SL in this too? I know we no SL in this. This was the it never go up. So you see, when I took the sell position, for example, this hourly, I put my SL at this high, so it never break its high, so it just keep falling from there. Okay. Yeah, good night, Lubana ji. Good night, Sukhjit ji. Jasreen, good night, everyone. Yeah, take care, guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time, New York session, and We're gonna make some good money today. All right, take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you. Good night, YouTube. Have a lovely night, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow as well.